third graders, today we're going to focus on a conclusion for your paper. So the example text that we're going to look at is called Students Should Wear Uniforms to School. In the past, children who wore uniforms mostly belonged to private schools. However, more and more public and charter schools have decided that school uniforms is what's best for students as well. I have attended both schools that wear uniforms and schools that do not, and in my opinion, children should have to wear school uniforms to school. To begin with, wearing a school uniform keeps students more focused on school than the name brands their friends are wearing. For example, I used to have a favorite football team that I loved. I really wanted a jersey with my favorite player's name on it, but the jerseys were always too expensive. One day, my teacher was teaching math, and one of my classmates walked in wearing that very same jersey that I really wanted. I couldn't think about anything the teacher was teaching after that. All I could think about was that jersey my classmate had on. I pretty much missed the entire math lesson that day. If all the students in class had to wear the same shirts, students wouldn't be easily distracted with the clothes that other students wear. Next, having students wear uniforms to school makes all the kids equal. Some kids, as parents, have the money to buy them the coolest and newest styles of clothing on the market, while other kids, as parents, can only afford to buy those brands every once in a while. In my family, when my older siblings grow out of their clothes, I get to wear them. Sometimes this means the clothes are pretty worn by the time they get to me. When students wear uniforms, it levels the playing field, meaning there is no jealousy or embarrassment about the clothes that some kids have or that other kids don't have. This can help all students feel like they belong. Most importantly, having students wear school uniforms can create a sense of pride about the school they are attending. When students are wearing their school colors each day, it brings them closer together. It's similar to fans of a sports team wearing team colors to support their team. It makes all the students in the school feel like they belong and are accepted. So, in conclusion, wouldn't you love to attend a school where you always feel like you fit in? School uniforms are the answer. In addition, you could focus on the lessons being taught by your teacher and not have to worry about fitting in with the newest trends. If you agree with all these reasons, then go talk to your principal today about having the students in your school wear uniforms. Take a look at this conclusion page in your opinion writing packet. Every opinion essay conclusion must have, you can go ahead and write those words there, must have these things. So this is another thing to think about when you start to write the rough draft of your opinion paper. You'll have to make sure that in your conclusion you have transitions. Those would be words like so, in conclusion, or in addition. You will need a call to action. For example, go talk to your principal today. In the example we just read, the person suggests that you go talk to your principal today about suggesting that your school get uniforms. Also, in your conclusion, you need to restate the opinion. So that means tell your opinion again. So, in this example, they said at the end, school uniforms are the answer. So, whatever your opinion is, you'll want to make sure that you include that at the end of your rough draft paper when it is time to write that.